was a long ass something in the background. That wasn't a machine.
I thought it was a machine, and then it just kept
vocals.
going. Yeah.
You got it recording?
Yeah, this is recording, but I don't know if I can hear that long, though. That's what I thought you were going to record.
That sounded like a really long call.
Yeah, I know.
In the distance.
Yeah, it came from that way.
Yeah, definitely that way.
Maybe that's the thing we saw.
Listen. That's a photo.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
a machine.
yeah. I can hear that one, yeah.
Big difference. What we just heard.
Arch.
There it is again. Would not knock.
Yes. That was close.
That was close. Look at those arches.
Yeah, I know. Those arches are good.
Let me take a picture of it.
Yeah, good idea. Oh wow, look at that. Look how it lights up back there. This light's good. Thanks for giving it to me.
Would you call that a call?
Yeah. We heard two of them.
Yeah.
And a wood knock, or whatever you want to call it, rock knock. I think it was a wood though.
2 loud, long calls.
And a knock close by. I thought I heard another one, but I think it was an ATV.
Would not?
No, another call, but I don't think it was.
You can see the difference now, can't you?
Yeah, but it was like pretty
That
close.
wood knot came back from behind us.
Yeah, it did.
That's where, real close to where I think that thing just walked over.
Yeah, that's why I was like, that's probably what was happening. It went back to where
Let's
it was.
get to a clearing or opening so it... Listen.
Right here.
Let's get back to our open there.
Go this way?
Let's get back to our...
Go back to our area?
Yeah.
Okay. Good idea.
These are too close quarters for me.
Yeah, yeah.
Going on.
I understand. I'm keeping my hat off though, just in case I hear something.
Yeah.
I would wear it, but it like blocks all the hearing.
Your eyes open for my
Yeah,
shine.
I'm looking.
Eye shine.
Let's still go all her calls again. But that time, you know for a fact it probably
Those
was.
definitely calls.
Yeah. The ones we heard the other night, they could have been.
Yeah.
Back there. scared you twice.
Why is it stopping and then starting?
That way too. Or no? There was a knock behind us too when it happened. It sounded like, he said the TV.
What I can't get over was the tall. Holy shit.
I don't know what the hell that was. I thought that was a girl screaming. But there's no ATV. Oh.
You had to record that.
I swear if I did that was loud. Is any TV in the distance?
I didn't see anything, so I figured might as well come back here.
Yeah, see if it comes back.
I think these. As soon as we turned it off, though, that was a whistle right there.
Yeah, right as you turned it off, they're like, they're here.